The DJI Mavic Pro is the latest and greatest product in the DJI lineup of drones. What sets this new drone apart from other drones is its extreme compatibility while still having all the great features you would expect. This new drone weighs at least half as much as a DJI Phantom 4, coming in at only 1.6 pounds. What makes this DJI Mavic Pro so compact is that the legs of the drone can be folded back on themselves to make a small enough package that can fit in your palm. Having such a compact drone makes such a huge difference for vloggers and YouTubers, and it saves so much space for other gear and is a lot more convenient. As far as other features for this DJI Mavic Pro, you still get a great 3-axis mechanical gimbal that shoots in 1080p HD and 4K video. Another great feature that is an improvement on the existing DJI Phantom 4 is a longer range of flight. You will be able to fly the drone at a max of 4.3 miles or 7 kilometers.